Hi guys, and welcome back to Spot That Deal, where we try to give you the best product reviews and throw in a deal or two for you that's worth it. As you know, we try to cover only the best sellers on Amazon, products with the best reviews, and today we're covering Temptooth. It's a DIY tooth replacement product that you use when you lost a tooth, like this lady in this image here. Happy customer of Temptooth, as you can see. Definitely lost a tooth there, and with a Temptooth replacement kit, she did quite a good job. You can't even notice the difference. Same with this gentleman here at the bottom and there, and he totally replaced it. With this kit you also get the dental tools to shape your tooth and to try to make it look like the rest of your teeth, basically. This is probably a product that was also shown on TV, and they also state there in the description, as I read, that you guys must look out for lookalikes, because most of these lookalikes are made in China and not the correct materials are used. So they only use FDA approved materials, and for your safety, please don't get confused with any other product. Just look out for Temptooth. This is how it looks, and try and use them. They went through all the accreditations and use all the correct materials for you guys to safely use their product. As I said, you receive a set of dental cleaning tools with every package, and it goes for $32.75. It's currently in stock. We got a 4-star customer rating, and more than 1,500 customers have already rated this product. So this is a good product. It's one of Amazon's best sellers in this product category. So click on the promo link below if you're missing a tooth, and get yourself Temptooth and repair that tooth. And please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for new videos with new product reviews and more deals for you guys. So enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys. Cheers.